Do you suck at holding angles and lose way too many gunfights? Well, don't fear, because in this guide, I will be going over the 3 types of angles and how to use them in each situation. Let's get right on into it. Okay guys, so the first type of angle is a common angle. And this would look kind of like this, where you're holding just kind of a pre-aimable spot for the attackers. So, spots that people would normally clear out like this. These are decent angles, but enemies can get used to them very quickly, so I don't recommend using them a lot.
Yo.
Launching smoke.
Where's my team, bro? The next type of angle is called an off angle. An off angle is a spot that the attackers usually wouldn't clear out. So people would go like this, they'll clear back sight, they'll look cubby, and then they'll clear close left. But this is an off angle. If I'm standing in this corner, people don't usually pre-aim this, and it can usually get a kill. One thing to note for this though, is if you whiff and you're not chamber, Reyna, or Jett, you're probably gonna die without getting any value. The last type of angle is called a one and done angle, where you're sitting in a corner and usually it's an eco or you're pushed up far, and this is where you can get really cheeky, and if they don't clear you, you can usually get 3 or 4, or you can just go 1 for 1. It doesn't matter if it's an eco, but these angles can be really rewarding or really punishing based on how you play it.
One more.
That dies.
Never stop.
101.
When picking angles, it is really important to look at the other team's composition. So for example, if they have a Sova or any kind of initiator or dog, you can ask a teammate to break it. You can also comm to your teammates to break Reyna flashes. And keep in mind, if they have a lot of flashes, be ready to play anti-flash and to look away, so you can still capitalize on your angle. If you guys truly want to rank up, I highly recommend you watch this video. I'll see you there.